July 4th.
Happy July!
Caroline. Watch out, we're taking a video of Caroline, Connor. Yay! Yay!
He's a boo-boo. Where? His holes in his feet?
His feet. His toe.
Yay!
Come on, stand up. Come on. Oh, gross.
Yay!
Don't.
Whoops. Connor, what's today?
Happy 4th of July! Happy July! Rainbow Day today. The red, white, and blue. The red, white, and blue. With an inner Happy July song. This is our July. How we go? This is our July.
Nathan.
We have the red and blue. Today is the 4th of July. Clap. We will fly in from the black.
Alright, everybody say goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye, Papa Joe. Was that? Goodbye, Papa Joe. Bye, Papa Joe. Do you like my song I sing?
I did. Let's sing Papa Joe a happy 4th of July song.
Happy 4th of July, Papa Joe. Clap, clap. Happy 4th of July. You have a happy 4th of July. Clap, clap. In the red, white, and blue, we have we clap, clap. We have the fireworks, blue and black. Clap, clap. All the fireworks, blue and black. Clap, clap. All the fireworks. We see fireworks all day and night. All the fireworks, boom. And they're flying off when you go to sleep. In the morning you'll see that it's happy 4th of July. It's happy 4th of July. Papa Joe. Papa Joe. Bye, Papa Joe. Goodbye, Papa Joe.
What about Grandma Sally?
Grandma Sally. Did you hear that? Happy Goodbye, Sally. Goodbye, Grandma Sally. Grandma Sally. Do you like my song?
Alright, everybody stand in front of the camera and say goodbye to Grandma Sally and Papa Joe.
Goodbye, Grandma Sally and Papa Joe.
We love you.
We love you.